Hello everyone, this is Chris. Today I'm giving you a small art tutorial here. The main content is first is import CSV files of the stocks into R, then calculate mean variance, covariance, correlation, and second part is simulate the coin through game. Okay, let's get started. First, you have to open your R. So click the file, change directory. Here you have to know where your working directory is. Here I put it on the folder named documents. So I click OK. So now my working directory is at the documents. Then open the Yahoo Finance. Okay, the two stocks we are working today. The first is Xong. So here click the historical data. Then check the time period we want 1 year before. So the frequency is daily data and apply it. Okay, download data. Here make sure the file is downloaded right into the documents folder. I mean the working directory folder. Your R is at. So here I put it on the documents here. So it's where my R is working. So here I name it song. So the file itself is a CSV file. So just save it. The second is Apple. Same here. Check. No problem. Apply. Then download. Okay, same here, documents, then I name it Apple. So Apple here. Then back to R, let's start coding. So first we have to read these two CSV. So first is read the CSV. Since the I name it CSV, so I just type its name xon.csv. Sorry, I name it xon, so just type xon.csv. That's the benefit if you just download this CSV file right into the working directory you already set. So here we can also read Apple. So read the CSV Apple CSV. Okay, then we have these two CSV file. Let's check the song. So it's the same as what we gonna see if we open it with Excel. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7 columns, and what we need is the last column, the column 7. So how to just get this column 7 out of this CSV file? So what we're gonna do is here. So we can name it first some price, and so we use a square bracket here, not the parenthesis. It's a square bracket, then comma, then 7. The 7 means column 7, and here we can check this song price. So 70.3 here. So within this 9 we can drive this column 7 out of the CSV file. And let's see here the comma is before the 7, so it means we want the column 7. But if the 7 is before comma, then we want the row 7. Since here we just want the column 7, so column first, comma first, then 7. Okay, we can also do this for Apple. So Apple price 7 square bracket. Oh, I'm sorry. it should be like apple here. So which CSV you want the column 7? It's the apple. Okay, here we have the apple as well. So apple, all the prices here. Okay, we want to calculate the average of the sum price. The average function in R is min. So min sum price, we get 82. And also the standard deviation function in R is SD. So SD sum price is 6. So standard deviation is 6.37. And also we can calculate the covariance and correlation between these two stocks. So the covariance function is COV. So sum price, apple price. Okay, so it's minus 17. And the correlation here is sum price, apple price. So here it's minus 0.36. Yeah, these two stocks, it looks like that they go to different directions. Okay, that's all for the first part. Part 2, we're gonna simulate the going through game. And the logic is, first we want a uniform distribution between 0 and 1, and since the middle of this range is 0.5, and all these random numbers which are below 0.5, we want it to become 0, and for those numbers greater than 0.5, then they become 1. So it's kind of like throw a coin, so head or tail, then 0 or 1. They show the same half probability. Okay, first is the uniform distribution. So uniform distribution, let's say 10,000 times simulation. So you can see the data here. So it's a vector. It has so many. It has 10,000 random numbers between 0 and 1. Then let's first calculate the average of this is 0.5. So it's quite close to 0.5. It's 0.5037. And then what we're gonna do is use the round function. The round function could help the numbers in the data vector to round them. If they are below 0.5, then they go to 0, and when they are greater than 0.5, they become 1. So that's what we want. We just want 0 and 1s. So here, let's see the A. So the A is a bunch of 0s and 1s. We have 10,000 of them. Then it's like we threw the coin 10,000 times, and some of them are heads and some of them are tail. Yeah, and we can also use a function called table. So let's say we have a function called table. If we table this A, oh, I'm sorry. So if we table this A, we're gonna see we can count how many ones in this 10,000 times and how many zeros here. So after the counting, we know the table is a function which can do this counting. So we have 4,921 zeros and 40. Oh no, it's 5079. So no, it's 40,079 ones here. So that's how we simulate the coin through, heads or tail. Okay, that's it. Thank you.